Believe it or not, when it comes to carnivore, I do about half the cooking, despite not really knowing much about cooking. It's that easy. Here I am making breakfast for Dot, and recording it for posterity. As you can see, I only use the finest ingredients. This is me smushing all those ingredients together into a delicious burger. I do like some tasty burgers. Ah yes, paper towels. I like to wet them down and put eggs on them so they don't roll away and make a mess for my wife to clean up. Don't tell Dot I said that. Let her find out after this goes live. You're going to find out pretty soon that I like putting butter on just about everything, and in copious amounts. It works great though. Look at this delicious burger. And look at this bacon. Did I mention this was breakfast? Here's those eggs again. And there you have it. Dot's delicious carnivore breakfast. Later on that evening, I also got to make her dinner. And mine too. She can't eat all that. On our carnivore diet, we're allowed to have at least some seasonings. Some purists don't think that way, and more power to them. Here's that butter again. I like to swirl it in a circle like this for very mysterious reasons. Then I press the meat down to keep it from floating away. Ah, look at that. Yep, I'm baking our steak, and I'm setting a timer. This lets me do other things, like chop up more butter. Did you really think all we were going to eat for dinner was steak? Actually, sometimes we do that, but it's more fun if we can dip it in egg yolk. I like to wave my hands theatrically over my food for effect, also for very mysterious reasons. Hard to believe looking at it after being told for years not to eat fat. This is actually good for you. Healthy fats and proteins. And I've never felt so good. I am loving the carnivore diet. It's easy, delicious, and it keeps me full all day, and often well into the next day. It also lets me take the load off of Dot, who historically does most of the cooking in our family. Yep, that's right. You heard correctly. I'm finally good for something. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.